Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to prepare quickly. Save any open files and close apps so nothing corrupts. Once done, check whether you're on Windows 10/11 or an older build because the entry method differs. For modern Windows, go to Settings Update and Security Recovery, then choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup or hold Shift while selecting Restart from the Power menu. This starts the special boot environment. Make sure your keyboard is connected so you can choose Troubleshoot and Advanced options when the system reboots. You'll continue inside the Advanced options, where you select Startup settings to enable Safe Mode options. After clicking Restart, a numbered menu appears. Press 4 for Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with Networking, or 6 for Safe Mode with Command Prompt. These choices load only essential drivers and services, which isolates problems caused by software or drivers. Make sure to pick Safe Mode with Networking if you need internet. And remember that some hardware-dependent functions won't work because the system intentionally limits drivers to troubleshoot. You complete the process by performing focused fixes, uninstall problematic drivers, run offline malware scans, or restore to a recent restore point while in safe mode because fewer services are active. Once done, restart normally to exit safe mode and confirm the issue is resolved. If it returns, repeat in safe mode and test one change at a time. If you cannot boot or changes fail, a key troubleshooting tip is to boot from recovery media and run startup repair or restore an.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.